Hello everybody, welcome to Life and Love in the Philippines. We're outside at the car. We got to do some work on the car here. As you can see, I've got the hood all the way up. And what's nice about the Mercedes is you can put the hood all the way up like this and you can get full access to the engine, you know. So I'm going to show you how I done this. First of all, there's a latch on each side. That's this latch right here. And there's one over there. Now, I've already got it up. And I'm going to show you how to do that. There's the latch. And I'm going to show you how to do that. But I want to show you how you can put it down too. Now, one guy can do this. Because that one doesn't actually pop into a hole. So we're going to pop this and begin to lower it. And I'll walk around toward the front. So I got good control of it, right? And that just popped in over there. And that one pop in also. And then just down. Right? Now it's not fully all the way down. I want to show you how to put it up now. So obviously, you pull the latch in the inside the car. It's right there by your left leg that you got. Right there. It's not hard to find. Then you lift up, and this little tab comes out. Pull it. Don't do it hard. Don't break it. Lift it up. Now, if I was just going to put some oil in, I'd just go with this. Right? But I'm not. I'm going to be doing some work on the car. So, well, I want to show you now, you should have two guys to do this, right? I mean, it's just much safer. One guy over there on that latch, one guy over here on this latch. But if you don't have two guys, which I don't, I got cameraman Phil running the camera, famous cameraman Phil. So I'm going to show you how one guy can actually do it. So he'll have to kind of come up here and get in and show you what I'm doing. So what you do, just come over here and get this latch, just kind of jiggle the hood a little and it comes right out. And you raise it. Now, I've got it caught to where it's not in the hole. Kind of looks like it is, but it's not. It's behind that thing. And then you kind of walk around the hood. Go slow. Keep walking it. And then you get this latch. Now we're looking for that one to pop in the hole over there. And there it went. Now you're good. So that's how you can get the hood up and do it with one guy. But I recommend too. It's just much safer. Don't always have to. And then I'm also going to show you how to get this stuff off. And it's pretty simple. You pull this out. You got to get it up off the oil field cap. Out and up. Comes right up. And then this is just plastic also. You undo these, you can do it here or do it here, but I want to go ahead and get them out of the way. But I'm going to do some work on the car. So I undid them here. I might just do both. Right there. And then this just pops in. Basically. Give it a good tug. Pull it right off. Now when you put it on, this gasket got to fit over this air intake right here. and then it'll go right down in there. It's got little clips, a clip around these doohickeys here. That's a doohickey. All right, so we got that out of the way. It's pretty simple. So we're gonna do some work on the car, and but that, I just wanted to show you how to get the engine hood up and take the plastic off. It looks a little intimidating, but it's just plastic. There's not much to it. It's all right. You'd be surprised how much of a Mercedes kind of snaps together. That's the real deal. And then we're gonna make another video of doing the work. And as you can see over here, we've got the parts, a couple of boxes. Hopefully they're the right thing or I'm in trouble. And some of my tools. So watch that video and you know, give us a like, a thumbs up. If you like our videos, subscribe to them. And we'll bring you more. Bye for now.